Hello students, we are again back here with some new questions for the last minute preparations. Here is the first question. We have been given a triangle ABC wherein AD is the median and we are supposed to find the length of AD. So we know that a median divides the base in two parts. So D will be the midpoint. So the coordinates for the midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This becomes 3 and 2. Now, we need to find the length of AD. So, we'll use the distance formula 5 minus 3 whole square plus minus 6 minus 2 whole square. So this comes to 2 square plus 6 into is 64 plus 4 is 68. We can write it as, so this will become 2 root 17. So our answer is 2 root 17 units. Clear? So moving on to question number 2. We have sec theta plus tan theta is equal to m, and we are supposed to find the value of sec theta minus tan theta. This is very highly probable question. Keeps on coming. This question can also be in the form of cosec and cot. So remember that. Okay. So we have an identity which says sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. This a square minus b square, what we can write as sec theta minus tan theta multiply sec theta plus tan theta. This is equal to 1. Now we are supposed to find the value of this. So let's not disturb it. This value is given as m. So this implies sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by m. Okay. This question most probably it will come in objective sections. So without wasting time, what you can do is, if this is given as m, just take a reciprocal of this. Okay, whichever is alternate way. The value of this can also be given, the value of this can also be given. Other will be, you will be asked to find out. Okay. Let's begin with question number 3. The zeros of a polynomial x square plus px plus q are twice the zeros of 4x square minus 5x minus 6. Find the value of p. So, first polynomial is 4x square minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Let's take the zeros at alpha and beta. And for this, x square plus px plus q equal to 0, the zeros will be twice. So 2 alpha and 2 beta are the zeros for this. So what we can do is sum of the roots, means alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So minus of minus 5 by 4. This becomes my 5 by 4. Okay. Now here 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to minus b by a, means minus p by 1. So 2 into alpha plus beta is equal to minus p. So 2 into alpha plus beta is 5 upon 4. So the value of p is equal to minus 5 by 2. Just follow the given instructions, answer will come automatically. You need to just remember the formula for the sum of roots and product of the roots. Okay. So the question number 4 is, if cos of alpha plus beta is 0, find the value of cos alpha plus beta upon 2. Okay. So first thing what has been given is cos of alpha plus beta is 0. Cos is 0 for which value? Cos of 90 degree. So this implies alpha plus beta will be equal to 90 degree. Now alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 45 degree. So this implies cos alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to cos 45 degree. What's the value of cos 45 degree? 1 by root 2. This is our answer. Okay. Let's start with question number 5. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta by minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus. Okay, so how to start? Let's start with LHS and convert the tan theta into sin cos. So it will become sin theta by cos theta. This is your 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta 1 minus sin by cos theta. So next step will be sin theta by cos theta. This will become sin theta minus cos theta, and this is your sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta and cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Now this sign will go above, so it will become sin square theta, and we'll get cos theta sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta. Here we will get sin theta and cos theta minus sin theta. Now we'll take the LCM of this. So what will come in as LCM? Cos theta, sin theta, and let's take sin theta minus cos theta. So here we have cos theta and sin minus cos. Only thing which is missing is sin. So in numerator we will get sin cube theta. Sin is there. This is there with negative sign. So we'll take a negative here and we'll take cos. Now in the numerator we are getting a cube minus b cube. So let's break that. It's a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, and we have sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. This will get cancelled. Sin square plus cos square is 1. So 1 plus sin theta cos theta. This is your sin theta cos theta. Separate them. So 1 by sin theta cos theta is sec theta cosec theta, and this will become 1, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. So if you want, you can take a screenshot of this solution. Highly probable question. So here is the question number 6 for us. 3 years ago, Resma was thrice as old as Nazma. 10 years later, Resma will be twice as old as Nazma. Find the present ages of Resma and Nazma. What will take as? Let the age of Rishma, B, X years, and that of Nazma B, Y years. Now let's check the conditions. 3 years ago. So 3 years ago, Resma will be X minus 3 and Nazma will be Y minus 3. And Resma was thrice old as. So Resma was thrice old as. Just follow the statement what question is saying. So this becomes x minus 3 is equal to 3y minus 9. Or you can write as x minus 3y is equal to minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Equation number 1. Next statement is 10 years later. So 10 years later, it will become x plus 10 and y plus 10. And now Resma will be twice as old as Nazma. So this implies x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20, or we can say x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is equation number 2. So x minus 3y, let's say the first equation also. This was equation number 1. Now minus plus plus. So 3 minus 2y is y equal to 16 years. So we have got the first answer. And now x minus 2 into 16 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 plus 32 is 42 years. Let's verify it. 3 years earlier. So 3 years ago means 39 years. And 3 years ago is 13 years. This is 13 into 3. Verified. So your answer is Resma is 42 years and Nazma is 16 years. Clear? Whenever you solve this type of questions, just verify it once to make sure that you have solved it correctly. So we have reached question number 7. The question says, so that the number 5 into 11 into 17 plus 11 into 3 is a composite number. Okay? Oh, it's very easy, but normally students skip this type of questions. Kindly do not, because these are again the highly probable questions. So what we'll do is 5 into 11 into 17 plus 11 into 3. Let's recall first what is a composite number. So for proving it a composite number, we will prove that it has more than two factors, the number and 1. Okay. So what to do? Let's take 11 as common. So this will become 5 into 17 plus 3. So the number goes like 11 into 85 plus 3 is 88. So it's from 11 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the final number. So count the number of factors. Obviously it's more than 2. Since the number has more than two factors, hence it is a composite number. Okay. So the question number 8 is, solve the given equation. It's basically 7x minus 2y is equal to 5, and the other equation is 8x plus 7y equals to 15. So let's take this as 7x minus 2y is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y is equal to 15. So we'll multiply this with 7 and this with 2. So it becomes 49x minus 14y equal to 35, and this will become 16x plus 14y is equal to 30. So this comes to 65x is equal to 65. So x is equal to 1. Now 7 into 1 minus 2y is equal to 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2y. So y is equal to 1. The value of x and y is 1. Okay? बेटा यहाँ आगे कुछ find the ratio in which the point line given है. This is your point. The coordinates are 8 by 5 and y. Divides the line segment joining the points 1, 2 and 2, 3. So first we have to find the ratio and then we have to find the value of y. Okay. This type of question is certain. So please focus on this kind of questions. Let it be A, B and P. And let the ratio be lambda is to 1. So using section formula, 2 into lambda plus 1 into 1 is 1 by lambda plus 1 is equal to what? X coordinate is 8 by 5. So we'll get 16 lambda, 5 to the 10 lambda plus 5 is equal to 8 lambda plus 8. So this will become 10 lambda minus 8 lambda and 8 minus 5. So 2 lambda is equal to 3. This implies lambda is 3 is to 2. So the ratio in which it divides is 3 is to 2. First answer. Now let's come to y. The coordinates of y are 3 lambda plus 1 into 2 is 2 by lambda plus 1 is equal to y. 3 into 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 by 2 plus 1. So this is your 9 plus 4, 13 by 2, and this is your 3 plus 5 by 2. So the value of y is 13 by 5. Clear? So let's solve question number 10. In the given figure, PA, QB and RC are the perpendiculars that has been given and drawn to AC. If AP is equal to X, QB is equal to Y and RC is equal to Z, then we need to prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Z is equal to 1 by Y. So this is again, okay, please focus on that and remember, this will be the shortest line. Always remember. Okay, so what we will do is in triangle APC and triangle QBC. First, we need to make sure that they are similar. This angle is equal to this angle and this angle is common. So with AA, these triangles are similarity. So what we will write is triangle APC is similar to triangle QBC using AA. Okay, now perpendicular. So this angle will be equal to which angle? This angle obviously. Okay, so what we can write is BC by AP. BC by AC, sorry. This side upon complete side will be equal to Y by X. This is your question number 1. Again, triangle ARC is similar to triangle ABQ using same AA similarity. So what will happen is AB upon AC will be equal to Y upon Z, equation number 2. Now, just add 1 and 2. So become BC by AC is equal plus AB by AC. This will become Y by X plus Y by Z. Now, AC is the LCM, BC plus AB. What we'll do is take Y common, put as 1 by X plus 1 by Z. Now, BC plus AB, just see, BC plus AB is AC. And denominator we already have AC. So, this will become, so 1 by X plus 1 by Z. This Y will go that side. Okay, take a screenshot. There is the not the probable question, this is certain question for this year. Okay, so finally we have come to the end of today's questions. We'll come again tomorrow with similar type of questions. Okay, stay tuned.